Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make delicious salmon kimbap. First, cook your short grain rice and season it with a tablespoon of sesame oil and a pinch of salt. This gives the rice its signature flavor. Next, prepare your fresh salmon by slicing it into thin, even strips, about 1/4 of an inch thick. Finally, gather your nori sheets, a bamboo rolling mat, and all your favorite kimbap fillings. Now let's start assembling. Place a nori sheet on your bamboo mat, shiny side down. Spread a thin, even layer of seasoned rice over about 2/3 of the nori, leaving the top edge clear. This ensures a good seal. Next, arrange your salmon strips and any other fillings, like pickled radish or cucumber, neatly across the rice, closer to the bottom edge. Don't overfill, or it will be hard to roll. Hey everyone, if you're enjoying this video and finding these kimbap tips useful, please hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. On another note, after cooking, your car could use a refresh. Life's too short for a stinky car. Grab Little Tree's black ice. It's a game changer. Check the description for the link and other great deals. Now, let's get back to the video. Time to roll. Using your bamboo mat, tightly roll the kimbap from the bottom up, pressing firmly to create a compact cylinder. Once rolled, dab a little water on the top edge of the nori to seal it securely. This prevents unraveling. Finally, brush the finished roll with a light coating of sesame oil for extra flavor and shine, then slice it into 1-inch thick, bite-sized pieces. Enjoy your homemade salmon kimbap.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.